Okay, so right here we've got a brand new blank fresh TikTok account. I called it Product Hunting and I gave it a nice little profile pic of some pie. And what we're going to do is get the algorithm to serve us up products on our For You page, which is, you probably know what the For You page is if you're on this video, but you just click the home button. This right here is the For You page where it just automatically serves you up different videos one after the other. And so we want to get TikTok to serve us up videos of products that we could potentially research and sell and make money off of online. And the way that we're going to train the algorithm to give us what we want is we just need to go find some product videos and just start liking them. The more that we like them, and not just like them, but we want to actually spend some time watching them, show TikTok that we're actually watching them. And so we want to find them, watch them, like them, do that over and over and over again, and then the algorithm will start to serve us more and more and more of what we're liking and watching, which we're going to just strictly let that be product hunting. So the first thing you can do is just go to your For You page and just keep swiping up until hopefully you hit a product, and it'll happen. Like there's some really big, like tons of likes, tons of views product videos, like the exact kind that we're looking for. So you could just sit here and swipe until you find one, hit the like button, and then swipe a little bit more, and then you're really likely to just start getting more, especially if that's the first one that you've liked. So I've been scrolling here for a second and I haven't seen a product video yet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click right here on Discover, and then I'm going to click up here on Search, and then just type in products. Click Search, and then you can just look right here. So what we're looking for is something like this one where it says my favorite Amazon products part 27. So I click into this, it's got 2.4 million likes. How many views did it have? It's not done showing the view count, but anyway, it's got 2.4 million likes. Here, I'll turn the volume up on this.
Part 27, this acrylic tissue box, this organizer for Q-tips and cotton pads. This cereal dispenser is a fun way to grab your breakfast every morning, and it looks really cool on your countertop. These glasses for coffee drinks or smoothies. This Himalayan scrub is an amazing exfoliator that I use all over my body. And lastly, this brush to lengthen and separate my eyelashes.
Alright, so just from this one video here, there's 5, 6, 7 different products that would be good products to conduct some research on to see if they'd be good products to sell online. So what we're going to do, I'm going to get to the research stuff in a second, but what we're going to do right now, just like it. And we already watched it. So another thing you can do, because this is part 27, so really simple, just swipe right, jump over here onto her page, and then find the other ones. Here's another Amazon must-have travel bags. Okay, so just watch that through. Again, she went through like 3 different products here. I'm gonna drop a like on it and let's go find another one. So here's part 34, more favorite Amazon products. Okay, just watch that one all the way through. I'm going to drop a like, and so on. You can just go through and literally like all of them. I'm going to move away from just her page and try and find some other pages that are also talking about products. That way we can get more of a variety and not just be liking just this one person's content. So we can keep scrolling down through here in this top section. But another thing we can, that's interesting. I actually haven't seen this before. So if we click into this Buy Amazon, I mean, okay, so they're not uploading that many videos, but if you want to look for accounts, maybe something like that. So now this time, instead of searching just products, let's go search Amazon. So that Amazon finds right there. So this is populating up what people are, the phrase that people are using, searching the most. And so it's showing Amazon finds. So I'm just gonna actually click that and see what it shows me. And boom, right here we've got Amazon finds. Here's 5 bathroom items you didn't know you needed. So I'm gonna click, drop a heart on that one. If I scroll down, here's an Amazon haul for your, all right, here's someone showing more products. Whoops. So I'm gonna give that a heart. If I scroll down, there's that same one that we've seen again. Here's another one, kitchen must-have from Amazon. So this is it. I mean, you just come in here, find all these product videos, like them a ton, watch them, and then what happens if we back out of all of this Discover section here, and if we click to, and now if we click to home, and if I refresh this For You page and scroll for a little bit, we should, in theory here, start to see some products come up. Alright, there, we got one. I was just about to say maybe we need to go like some more, but here's one. So I'm gonna drop a heart on that, watch it through. Alright, so she just went through another 6 or 7 products right there. I'm gonna swipe over. Her page is called Top Online Finds, so this looks like a page that is just straight, here's some products to check out. So I'm gonna give this page a follow. I'm gonna go through and like some of these other videos. So like here's 6 pet finds from Amazon, give that a like, watch it. Now if I come back over here to the For You page and I keep scrolling, so this one isn't quite that, but like Cotton Candy Making Machine, it's serving us products. I'm gonna keep going. So right here, DIY ring light from Dollar Tree. Now the algorithm's going, okay, you like products? Here's some more products for you to look at. So like that, move on. Amazon must-haves, home edition. Here we go again. Boom. Swipe over. Simply Sal Finds. So this is a guy that looks like he's out there finding products. He's got a bunch of video called Amazon must-haves. So this guy might be a good one to follow. All right. So now we can already see now the algorithm is already trained to start to show us products. And the more that you tell it that it's products that you want to see, the more it'll start to show it to you. And especially if you don't pay attention to any other videos, like don't stop and watch other videos, don't like other kinds of videos, just create a separate account, like only product stuff and only watch and like product stuff, and you'll just get a consistent feed of products for you to look into.